Beloved South Africans, this is Mandisa Mthembu, the servant and the president of the people of South Africa. Today I'm introducing the second reformation policy, which is Common Agricultural Policy for Rural Development and Sustainability. Our country has vast, fertile land, resources, wisdom, and unused talent to become a giant exporter of agricultural products. But due to incompetent leaders whose sole purpose is to enrich themselves and their friends, we find ourselves in this situation we are in today. 3 out of 5 people go to bed with empty stomachs every night. Our people are suffering with poverty on the ground, while politicians sing, dance, lie, and live lavishly at the expense of our ignorance. The solution to fight poverty and long-term sustainability is the implementation of Common Agricultural Policy for Rural Development and Sustainability. This policy will help rural communities and farming sector cope with both local and global challenges and ensure that there are no food shortages in our country. This policy aims to contribute to the transition towards a smart, sustainable, competitive, resilient, and diversified agricultural sector to ensure long-term food security and job creation for rural communities across South African rural areas. Priorities include support financially and technologically to boost income and resilience on farms, stepping up climate action, protecting natural resources, preserving and restoring biodiversity, as well as strengthening the socio-economic fabric of rural areas. As South Africans, we must love, protect, and keep our country clean. This initiative seeks to engage South African communities to the practice of creating a thriving, resilient, and safe community by implementing practices that balance economic prosperity, social equality, and environmental protection, ensuring that the current needs are met without compromising the ability of future generations. Essentially building communities that can flourish long-term without depleting resources or harming the environment. The Common Agricultural Policy comes into effect on the South African Parliament today, 15 September 2025. South Africa belongs to the indigenous people of South Africa, black, white, colored, Africans, Indian, united in our diversity. May the grace of our Lord and King Jesus Christ be with you all. I thank you.